Hi Drastic Cuties, Winnie here. I know, right? I'm in front of the camera again and I'm trying like I promised. Oh, and you're probably wondering what the heck I'm holding. This here is my go-to security blanket. This little guy here, his name is Piu and he's dressed like a chicken, of course. And let's take off his hat. Oh, and that's what he really looks like, but he likes to be a chicken. So we're gonna put back his hat. And he has a little guy and that comes with him, but I don't know where it is right now, so I have to go look for him and show it to you guys later. But I'm holding him because I need a little security blanket with me right now. Because as you know, being in front of the camera is not an easy thing for me, and so that's why I've just been really on and off about it. But hopefully with this new setup, I'm using my my phone, so it's a little bit easier, I hope. And that way I think I might be doing this a little bit more, and let me know in the comments below if you care to even see me in front of the camera or if it doesn't matter. I really appreciate your comments and your suggestions, and let me know what you think, because it's your comments, your requests, and all that stuff that you tell me that really helps me improve my channel. And I just want to say thank you for everything. And I'll try my best to keep doing this if you guys love it and want me to be in the camera more. It just takes a lot of effort, you know, because I have to do my hair, and this is the best I could do right now. Just putting on makeup and hair and getting dressed, it's just not something I'm very good at. So that's why I guess it's just harder for me to feel like I can just pop in here and be in front of the camera any old day. But I'm trying my best. So I guess all of us kind of being quarantined at home, I have a little bit more time to try these things out. So hopefully you like it. And I just want to pop in and say hi. And so just to test this out and see how it goes. And like I said, please let me know in the comments below what you guys think, if you want me to keep doing this. And I'll look for my little guy, little Piu here, and show it to you guys next time. And maybe I'll just do more of this kind of stuff where I just kind of say hi to you guys and talk to you, and I don't know, maybe share some stuff. So, oh yeah, and Q&As and all that stuff, right? So, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video and I didn't blah too much, because I tend to do that when I'm nervous. And so, I love you guys, and stay safe, and I'm also looking forward to doing this little craft for you guys that's coming up really soon after this one. So that's it. And I hope I didn't just do that in front of the camera. That's like terrible. That's what I hate the most when I just did it. I'm sorry. Okay. Anyways. All right. I will see you guys later, and I love you. Bye.